What's going on, everyone? It's Emar here, and today we're diving into the exciting world of Forex trading, specifically for my Ugandan viewers. Finding the right broker is crucial for your success, so if you're ready to level up your trading game and find the perfect broker that aligns with your financial goals, then grab your notepad and let's get started. Kicking off our list, we have XM Broker, a powerhouse in the Forex industry. Their platform is super intuitive, making it a breeze to navigate, even if you're a complete beginner. They offer MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, both known for their powerful charting tools. XM offers an incredibly low minimum deposit requirement, making Forex trading accessible to virtually everyone. So if you're looking for a beginner-friendly platform with a low barrier to entry, XM Broker is definitely worth considering. Next up, we have Hot Forex, another giant in the Forex world, known for its robust trading environment and extensive market reach. They hold licenses from strict regulatory bodies like the FCA and SISEC, ensuring financial transparency and security. This means your investments are safeguarded under stringent regulations. Hot Forex truly shines in its customer support, offering 24/5 support in multiple languages, including Swahili. Their team is well trained to handle any issues you might face. Whether you have a question about your account or need help with a trade, their dedicated support team is there to assist you. They are known for their quick response times and effective solutions. So if you value a broker that prioritizes the safety of your funds and provides exceptional customer service, Hot Forex is a fantastic option. Their commitment to excellence makes them a top choice for traders worldwide. Now let's talk about FXTM, a broker committed to empowering traders through education and innovative trading solutions. They offer a wealth of educational resources, including interactive webinars, in-depth seminars, comprehensive articles, and personalized one-on-one coaching sessions with experienced financial advisors. FXTM is also known for its flexible trading options, offering a wide range of account types tailored to different trading styles and experience levels, ensuring that every trader finds the perfect fit. They provide access to various trading instruments including Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios and explore new opportunities. So whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned trader looking to refine your strategies, FXTM has the knowledge, resources, and tools you need to succeed in the dynamic world of trading. Moving on, we have Exness, known for its lightning-fast withdrawal process and incredibly tight spreads. Exness has streamlined its withdrawal process, ensuring you receive your money quickly. They offer a variety of withdrawal methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and electronic wallets. Exness is also known for its competitive spreads, which means you pay less in trading costs. So, if you prioritize quick access to your funds and want to minimize your trading costs, Exness should definitely be on your radar. Last but not least, we have IC Markets, a game changer for serious traders seeking advanced trading tools. This platform is designed to cater to the needs of both novice and experienced traders, providing a seamless trading experience. IC Markets provides access to cutting-edge platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. These platforms are renowned for their robust features, user-friendly interfaces, and comprehensive charting tools. They fully support automated trading strategies, allowing you to develop and deploy your own trading robots. This means you can execute trades with precision and speed, even when you're not actively monitoring the market. IC Markets offers some of the lowest trading commissions and spreads in the industry. This ensures that more of your profits stay in your pocket, making your trading more cost-effective. So if you're ready to take your trading to the next level with advanced tools and low fees, IC Markets is worth checking out. With its comprehensive suite of features, it stands out as a top choice for traders aiming for success. So there you have it, guys, my top picks for the best Forex brokers for Ugandan traders in 2024. Each of these brokers brings something unique to the table, so it's important to carefully consider your individual needs and trading style. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.